everybody, all colleges also will agree that it is the right thing to do.
The physical progress of the implementation of the Jal Jeevan mission in Meghalaya is 56.39%. Public Health Engineering Minister Marquis N. Marak said on Tuesday. He told reporters tap connections have been provided to 3,67,447 households, out of which targeted 6,51,556 households so far. According to Marak, they have been given a deadline of January 2024 to provide tap connections to all the targeted households. He said the department is now waiting for power connection in some villages in East Khasi Hills, East Jaintia Hills, West Jaintia Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills and in some districts in Garo Hills. The minister said as the laying of pipes has already been completed, the department will be able to provide tap connections to around 80,000 households once there is power connection.
With regard to Jal Jeevan mission implementation in Meghalaya, we have touched around 56.39% so far. So we are doing well, but there are some districts we are stuck up because of in need of power connections. So once the power connections are done, we will jump the numbers, because around 80,000 household will be connected once the power connection is completed.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sama on Wednesday